I think it is just news till now. We did not have any official papers or decisions that reached us through our lawyer. We did not have any official papers or decisions that reached us through our lawyer or through any letter from the FIFA or the European Federation for Football, the UEFA. I would say that we will be so happy if this intervention stop demolishing our playground. We will continue our campaign to stop demolishing our playground. But till now we are asking the FIFA or the UEFA to send us an official letter that the Israeli occupation would freeze or stop demolishing our playground.